Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So today we're going to play RBF110 stage, okay? So anyways guys, if you wanna show my videos on channel, make sure to like, subscribe. So anyways guys, okay, we need to just start. Also guys, if you wanna show my videos on channel, make sure to like, subscribe. So this is the easiest game that I ever seen in my life. So anyways, so I'm gonna beat this game. So many wins that I just bought. So I need to just collect 10 days I guess. Then I don't know. So anyways guys, we're going to beat this game for a while. So that is, I'm not gonna touch the red. What? CIS responder, it's easy. What? What the? Okay, so anyways guys, we're not going to touch this. Be careful. Be careful, okay? Okay, we need to be careful. So anyways guys, we need to be careful. We need to be careful. Okay, I made it. Okay, I'm not gonna touch this because it's so dangerous. Game. So, anyways, so this is a hard game that we showed. So I'm gonna choose red or not. I'm gonna choose blue. I'm gonna choose blue. Okay. So, anyways, guys, we're going to just choose whatever you want to. So we're going to beat this game. What's that? Who the heck is this guy? What's that? Is that? Who is that? Who will join this? Oh wait, it's yellow. Yellow. Who joined me? Huh? See? What the heck? I'm a lizard. Okay. Yes, yes, we made it, guys. So, anyways, guys, we're gonna choose whatever, ever my new video. Okay, I like this. I need to choose this. My name is guys. Yeah. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna choose this. This. So, how can I just pass? No. Choose. What the heck? No. Wait. I want to choose this. Okay. So I like this game. So this is the easiest game in the world. So I'm gonna choose green. What did I just choose? I am a green. So I'm gonna just proceed that guys. So no guys, I'm gonna just do it like this. I am a pumpkin. So I like this game. I need to. No, I don't want to become a girl. No. No. Huh? So that is the easiest game in the world, guys. So I'm not going to end up this game. So anyways, guys, if I don't share my videos on channel, make sure to like, subscribe. So anyways, guys, this is the easy mode. So goodbye, guys.